Max, I am actually very fascinated with what you're doing at LimaCharlie because you are offering an integration solution. You really only have two choices, and that is you go with a suite that has already dealt with the integration issues, or you have some amazing engineering staff and they can integrate everything for you. But you have a third option. What am I getting?
What you're getting is the ability to say that you can plug into LimaCharlie whatever you want. What we do is we take a lot of those core capabilities, right? So for example, let's say retention. We very specifically target to take that slice of the infrastructure away from your requirements. We're trying to make that really, really simple. And so we have a year of retention.
What does it mean you're saying you're starting at retention? I'm not following you completely. What do you mean by that?
There's kind of a pipeline concept in security. In a sense, like I'm greatly generalizing here, right? But the idea that you have all different kinds of sources of what we call telemetry, but sources of information.
And this is what we're trying to bring into our environment.
Exactly. So the first step to doing that, right, is obviously to bring the thing in.
Sometimes easy, sometimes not.
It's mostly a solved problem nowadays,
yes.
Right? The very short version of how we do that is we focus on the core capabilities to do it. We build generic components that allow you to point to an S3 bucket or an SQS queue or whatever it is anywhere and just bring that in.
LimaCharlie is providing some standardization block for all the sort of the different inputs you're getting?
That's exactly it. We make it incredibly easy to bring the data in.
So bring the disparate sources, have a standard block LimaCharlie that then connects to other sources as well.
We've open sourced this way of bringing things in, and we've made it very simple. If you want, you can instrument LimaCharlie, this data flow directly in an app, even if you want it.
I kind of visualize this as kind of like a data docking block. Like, you have your docking block that has all the ports that you know very well, and then everything comes in via that. It's kind of the same way, yes?
That's exactly it. And we call those things, so we call the data telemetry, and we call those things sensors. The common second step for folks, right, would be around retention. We've engineered data retention to be extremely affordable and really focused on providing a year of retention for everything at all times and make that viable.
To learn more about how you can unlock this crazy power, you need to learn more about LimaCharlie. And heck, it's a really easy website to go to, limacharlie.io. There's the address.